Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am literally about to go for a ride to meet up with some of my friends, which they're already waiting for me outside, and I'm gonna go meet up with my girl Martha. As you can see here, it is freaking cold, so I am layering up. Yes, I'm wearing latest gloves. It actually really works. As you can see, my friends are waiting for me. I took a little too long because the gloves was not a joke, it was a struggle to put on.
Grease up the chain, it's a bit dry.
Yeah, it's a bit rusty to be fair.
Yeah, I know.
I need to go.
No, shut up.
What?
Don't say
The chain
that.
might be gone.
Don't say that.
The chain might be gone.
Oh shit.
When it gets really dry out like that, it's just not.
No, that's brand new, man.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
How can I change this?
When?
When I got the service last. That was like a few weeks ago.
You need to ring Dad's garage and tell him off.
We're going Enfield.
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay.
Enfield. I don't know.
We're gonna meet Martha in Enfield and then we'll go straight from there. It's much faster than that.
Okay, it's zoom time. Right, this little place is always such a kerfuffle to get out to wait forever. Anywho, the weather was lovely, nice and sunny forecast, as you can see, nice sunny skies, and beautiful dry roads. Yeah, everything was just perfect to pop them wheelies and do some nice sliders. Yes, this beautiful junction is always not busy, you know, because people's got lives, they want to go home. This was already past 5:30. I'm about to go to Enfield and yeah, and just meet up with Martha. That's our first stop. We're gonna go to Bike Shed. That is a VN goal. Actually, we're supposed to go to a motor show, but I think we changed our mind because due to this beautiful sunny clear sky weather. Let's hit the motorway, as we are on the motorway right now, always checking my blind spots before taking any turn. Yeah, we're getting some few steers. Oh, camera, pre-warning the guys because yeah, look at this guy, didn't even, no shame at all. Zoomed past me like it was no tomorrow. And I was like, let me catch up. Oh, look at Ricardo enjoying his life. The beautiful lunchtime traffic. Yes, we're in England, so we are allowed to filter. For those who will probably make it in the comment and said, oh, look at that, that's so illegal. Yeah, no, it is legal here in the UK. However, there was traffic for, I don't even know, to be honest with you. We just stopped, we went to the front line, and we were just told by the police to stop. There was no accident. I think they were just clearing the road because something must have been there. Oh, hi biker. Didn't even see that one. We were just too busy concentrating. Well, I was. Some people will find this so annoying. However, me not care, girl. Me not care. I am proud of my bike and I love the way it sounds. So I'ma share it. I'ma rev it. Enfield. Beautiful, clear skies, sunny Enfield. We're at the I think this, what you call this little place where everyone comes together. It's like they have all the stores. It's not a mall. It's not a mall. Like a park, like a shopping park. Okay, I'll call it a shopping park. Okay, so this is destination number 1. I've decided to meet Martha here, and yeah, she is not there.
Morrison? No. You know where Sainsbury's petrol station is?
Clearly me and directions do not work well together because I clearly gave Martha the wrong direction, so she was on the other side while we all were where I thought it was supposed to be. Okay, everyone's ready to leave. I take 10 million years, clearly my struggle with the gloves, latex gloves and Chinese gloves. Martha's like, come on man. Hold on, almost done. Just give me another 5 5-10 minutes and I should be ready. Or no. Who am I kidding? Let's say 15. Okay, she's ready. She's good to go. Shall I ride? I'm gonna take my dog for a walk. Yes, that's me. I don't need to ride and turn around. Yeah. I'm odd. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say. I'm just odd. That's who I am. Okay, so we're ready to zoom. Martha has lost the patience and she's ready to go. I am slow AF when it comes to the cities and the rain. So I pretty much lost the guys. And yeah, it's just so much traffic in Enfield. I blame traffic. I'm not slow. I take that back. I blame traffic. That's what it is. So, oh, there she is. Okay, so I just caught Martha like proper vibing. It's just there, vibing. All I could think about was, wait, hold on, what's going on here? Didn't even notice this till later on. And then I saw he's vibing too. I'm like, oh, noticed him. He's vibing it. Oh, there goes Ricardo. He too is vibing it. No neck cracker right there. Let me just turn up my music and be like, oh yeah, in the mood. I don't know what I was listening to, but I was listening to something. And then great, then the light happened to change and I was actually vibing. I was sitting there like a numpty and like, oh, camera. Need to spot out these cameras everywhere in Enfield. So I'm just saying, I was just sitting there like a numpty and watching everyone just vibe, and I'm just, yeah, zoning into space. But yeah, anywho, carry on with the zooms. Camera! I'm on it with these cameras. I'm telling everyone right up in the center. So if you're ever down in this road in Enfield, guys, please be wary. There's cameras everywhere, unless you have a flip plate. You know what I mean? Here's my girl, always checking in on me. I'm good. She's so blacked out. Look at her visor. You can't see shit. That's why you have clear one. That's why you have clear one. Anywho, beat the boys. Not for long, but then they go past me. So, I swear there was more traffic lights. Oh my gosh, who's calling me? Before I got rudely cut off there because someone was calling me. Let me just stop at this traffic light. Honestly, this whole journey was just traffic lights after traffic lights. But you know what? I got my music. Carter's got me. Let me just tiptoe over here next to Martha. Hi. Now I'm level with everyone. So happy. That's 5. Girl. Yes. Show me what your mama gave you. Huh? I don't know what I was listening to. Probably Motorway or some Latino music, because that's always on my playlist right now. And oh look, even the boys are vibing. I hope they were listening to the same music as us. Hey, Mr. DJ, turn the record. I wanna dance. Oh, okay, gone. Rude. Anywho, cut through traffic, lost them again, but smart girl. I beat them to it. Went to the very first front. Then I realized I was too front and no one wants to come and be on my side because, yeah, they shy. They really shy. I was like, all right, cool. I see how it is. Okay. Just doing my own thing, vibing as always. Okay, so we are gonna go to the right. Oh no, left, sorry. We're left. We are going left. And then this happened. This dude was looking over and I had no clue. My girl Martha, we saw him. She clocked him up. I turned around. The boys did too. Martha's laughing because I turned around to see him. Oh, googly eye, she said. He is watching you with the telescope. I have no idea what kind of spidey tinkly web that Ricardo's going on here, because he just turned the lights and we were off zooming again. Again! Ah! What are the odds? Traffic lights! I think we're going to a petrol station because we are running low. I see a fellow biker. Hello, how you doing? Always say hi. You know, even though they don't have engines, two wheels are two wheel. Respect. Yeah, I am babbling on because I was clearly super bored here. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you this. Even if I had mics in my helmet right now, I'll be babbling. Okay, so off we go to the petroleum station. Oh my gosh. Sometimes honestly, I thought the weather was gonna lighten up. It did say in my little cute weather, yes, camera. Oh, she got to the station at the end. It did say in this AccuWeather that it was gonna lighten up. And I know I was checking here to make sure that it was gonna lighten up a little bit. No, girl, no. It was beautiful England weather. And for those who are not from England, just so you know, this is how our weather is like all year round. At the moment, it's having its period. So it has rain, snow, sunshine, tornado, you name it. We got it. England's got it. England's got your back on that. So always carry an umbrella, because when you carry an umbrella, it's sunny. It's sunny. And when you don't carry an umbrella, it just poured rain on you. Yes, rain's coming your way. So yeah, we're all hexed here. So I think Martha was trying to, yeah, we were doing a live, but little did she know, like, you can't go live and be on the phone with me at the same time. So you either go live or not. Yeah, she got her, she hasn't got a car due yet here, because, yeah, she hasn't got a car due, so we couldn't actually connect. I don't know. Oh, yeah, so she had her headphones on, that's why. Okay, off we go. We are going to bike shed. I followed Martha, and my eyes diverted because this girl got some big ass bunda.
Bam! Wait a minute, Jesus! Pin down, 1032, bitch!
Please, someone come and help. Oh, I have no other strength. My heroes! They're here to help. Yes, Spidey has come to rescue. I should actually put a Spider-Man here. Oh, there it is.
It happened.
Hold on. Hold on. I don't think you got it. Yeah, I think it just comes out. Yeah.
It's fine. Okay, boys. I found out. It's all good. It's normal. Yeah, I'm good. It's normal. Yeah. Okay. Right? Okay. Yeah. This is normal.
So you're alright?
Yeah.
Heck, there's a version of road, huh?
Oh, now we're done ages ago. Yeah. Oh, oh.
Alright guys, nothing to see here. Let's move on. Clearly, as you can see, that this was such a norm for me. I don't get affected. I don't get embarrassed. I'm just like, yep, choose down. Let's crack on. Get up. Get back on the bike. Because in the end of the day, guys, even though we're on big bikes, this is a moral of the story is no matter what kind of rider you are, just remember we all fall down. The most important thing is always stand back up, get back on the bike, and just enjoy the ride. Alright guys, this is the end of my video because the rest of the footage got cut off. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Okay, let's go.